The Porsche 911 debuted in 1964. Since then, many generations have evolved the popular sports car, which were offered in the form of a coupe, targa, and convertible. At the same time in the history of the 911, there were versions designed for the off-road. In 1978, the 911 SC Safari was created, designed for rally raids. After that, several more single off-road vehicles were built, but now the Germans are preparing a production version based on the current 8th generation 992. The all-terrain modification can get the Safari name or maybe Dakar. As for appearance, the main difference from the regular 911 will be a significantly increased in-ground clearance, which include higher profile tires. In addition, the coupe will receive plastic lining on the wheel arches and sills. Also, the model can get original bumpers, but Colsa.ru imagined a possible option. According to our source, the all-terrain coupe can borrow the drivetrain from the all-wheel drive of the Carrera 4S. Most likely it will be equipped with a Boxer 6-cylinder 3.0 bi-turbo engine developing 450 horsepower and 530 Nm of torque. The premiere of new 911 off-roader is expected sometime this year.